Hey guys, JetBlaze10 here, and today we're hiking to Mosquito Lake. And we passed this on Eagle Lake, but I never got the chance to film it. It's this awesome little waterfall. And one thing is that's very odd, and you don't see this all the time, is that waterfall goes and makes its own cave over there. It's really weird because it comes from over there or something, comes down and falls into there. It makes its own cave, which is really weird. And there's a ton of quartz and stuff. But one thing is, if you guys know what this is, please tell me, because me, my mom, and Andy want to know if that right there is marble. So please tell us. Yeah, I just wanted to get this little part in the video, but we are going to Mosquito Lakes. One thing is, we are not going, we did not do this on the same day yesterday when we went to Eagle Lake. We did not go here. But yeah, I probably will edit this into a video. So, yeah, I just wanted to show this to you guys, and bye.